she hurt.
January 19th, 2024, Newton, Los Angeles. A routine stolen vehicle alert escalated fast when LAPD officers spotted a white Dodge Ram tied to armed suspect Mario Alvaria. As they tried to stop him, Alvaria sped onto Highway 10 West, triggering a high-speed chase monitored by air support. The pursuit ended when Alvaria crashed into a parked car and fled toward a warehouse on East Pico Street. Officers chased him on foot as he ran inside.
Hey, get on the ground! Get on the ground right now! Get on the ground! Show your hand! Hey, stop! Get on the ground! Get on the ground right now! You're gonna get shot! Show your hand! Show your hand!
Inside, Alvaria suddenly pulled a gun, prompting a brief shootout. He was struck, then dropped the weapon and collapsed. Officers moved in and took him into custody. Alvaria now faces charges including assault with a deadly weapon on officers, felony evasion, and possessing a stolen vehicle. Decatur, Illinois, March 18th, 2024, around 3:50 p.m. Decatur police initiated a stop on 3 individuals near 600 West Grand Avenue, one of whom fit the description of a suspect involved in an armed robbery earlier that day. The suspect was identified as 38-year-old Rocky Dupain. It'll show you.
Shot fired! Shot fired!
All available units, please respond to the section of
Stop moving!
Dupain had been caught on surveillance footage robbing the Decatur discount store for a glass pipe valued at $20. His distinctive clothing from the robbery led to his identification by police later that afternoon.
Grab the gun. Right there.
Get on the ground!
Hey! Hey! Hey!
I will
Hey!
shoot you!
Hey!
Shoot you!
Shots fired! Shots fired! Wait. It's right like in the chest area?
When officers approached during the traffic stop, Dupain refused to follow commands and quickly escalated the situation by pulling a BB gun from his jacket. Believing it to be a firearm, 2 officers fired at Dupain, striking him. He was rushed to Decatur Memorial Hospital, but later died from his injuries. As per protocol, the incident is now under investigation.
Yeah, you're good. Grab the gun.
Drop it! Drop it!
A dangerous serial killer, desperate to evade capture, fled into a nearby apartment complex, prompting law enforcement to swiftly surround the entire area.
With your hands up. Now. Now. Open the door and come out now. With your hands up, slowly.
To gain the upper hand and reduce the suspect's visibility, officers deployed smoke bombs, filling the complex with thick haze and creating a tense, high-stakes environment. Amidst the chaos, police confronted the suspect and fired multiple shots, wounding him.
Drop the gun! All right, gun's out in the hallway.
Come out now!
All right, it's fine. We're not doing it.
Hey! Keep your hands in the air! Don't move!
He later died at the scene, bringing the dangerous standoff to an end. Fortunately, no further incidents occurred, and the area was safely secured without additional harm. On May 14, 2024, at around 3:10 p.m., Pineville police responded to a report of a petty theft at the Food Lion, located on Johnston Road in Pineville, North Carolina. Sergeant Adam Roberts, in full uniform, arrived at the store's parking lot and spotted the suspect, 46-year-old Dennis Bowden, walking away with a bag filled with stolen groceries.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Despite repeated verbal and lawful commands to stop, Bowden ignored the orders and continued walking toward Johnston Road. Sergeant Roberts followed closely, alerting dispatch and requesting backup.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Ah! Don't you move! Taser deployed, taser deployed. He took a big... Get on the ground! He's back up. I don't have any more tasers. He was able to get up. Get him ready.
Get him! Back up!
Get him! Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired.
As the suspect continued to disregard commands, the encounter escalated. Sergeant Roberts ultimately fired his weapon. Bowden managed to walk a short distance before collapsing. Officers immediately moved in and handcuffed him. Bowden died shortly after the shooting. The incident is now under investigation, following standard procedure in officer-involved shootings.
Hold on, ready.
On December 1st, 2019 in Concord, 60-year-old Donald Everson threatened his mother with a knife and carried a realistic-looking plastic gun. That way, Sergeant Graham and his team responded swiftly, taking tactical positions and using a loudspeaker to call them out.
Have the shield, so if we got to make some kind of approach or we need something of that nature, keep in mind she's saying this is an airsoft, all right? But he does have a knife as well. Where's Tucker? Do you have the sage? You ready to go with that? Yeah. All right.
Abram.
60.
60.
Donald answered making demands for money in a helicopter, etc. And if we don't do that, he's...
Stop! Stop!
Okay, stop. Sir, come. Is she injured? Is she injured? No. Oh, no, is she hurt? Okay, come this way, sir. Come this way.
Upon entry, officers discovered Everson's father severely injured and his mother in critical condition inside the home. As they moved in, they repeatedly ordered Everson to drop the knife. When he refused and continued to pose a deadly threat, officers opened fire. He collapsed beside the bloodied knife on the kitchen floor. It was a tragic outcome, but one driven by the urgent need to protect innocent lives from imminent danger.
Shots fired.
Copy, shots fired.
Shots fired, shots fired.
Copy, shots fired.
Find the fucking gun!
On February 27, 2025, a robbery attempt at the Oregon Air National Guard base ended in tragedy. Matthew Wong, 22, handed a threatening note to a security guard, demanding action within 10 minutes. Officer Oxenrider, as nearby with his K9, responded and found Wong near an aircraft monument.
You're not leaving right now. now. Hey, put your hands on your pocket right now. Do you understand? Want to get tased? What the fucking gun? Put the gun down. Put the knife down. Right now, put the knife down.
Wong refused to show his hands and suddenly pulled the knife. Despite multiple warnings and 2 failed fire attempts, he charged at the officer. Oxen Rider fired 2 shots, striking Wong in the arm and torso. Wong died at the scene.
Yeah, send me medics right now. 2 shots fired, subject's down.
Had he surrendered,
Knife in hand.
Wong could have faced up to 20 years in federal prison. Instead, he chose violence and lost his life.
On the afternoon of June 3rd, 2024, police in St. Paul, Minnesota, responded to a 911 call reporting a suicidal woman. When officers arrived, they found her seated with a blanket over her lap, appearing withdrawn but calm. Gently, they asked if she needed help, hoping to de-escalate the situation.
Back here!
What's going on?
She was 34!
What's going on? What's going on? What's going on?
She was turning blue on her mom, and she was just breathing in my...
You okay, man? Hey,
Come on, it's fine.
are you okay? What's
She's
going
not
on today?
She's not okay. Oh, God. That's what
Hey,
Suddenly, the woman reached beneath the blanket, pulled out a handgun, stood up, and aimed it at the officers. In that split second, faced with an immediate and life-threatening threat, Officers Chizunis, Lau, and Lore simultaneously opened fire. Their reaction was a response to the raised weapon, a tragic outcome to what began as a call for help. Fuck on.
We're inside now.
Sheriff's office, come to the door. We're just trying to make sure you're okay.
Just 6 minutes after the 911 call, officers entered the apartment. From down the hallway, screams echoed. Then a man in a black hoodie suddenly lunged at them with a knife.
All right, we're taking the room. We can hear a female screaming for help. All right, take the ramp. Good. Move to the right. Let me see your hands. Come out now. Come out now. Got me. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Sheriff's office. Let me see your hands. All right, this is the sheriff's office. You need to come out now with your hands up. You need to come out right now with your hands up. Reach her up. Reach her up.
Anna Eugene collapsed to the floor. Officers gave immediate aid and rushed her to the hospital, but it was too late. She died shortly after arrival. No one else was inside. A shattered door, a cry for help, and a woman shot in the very place she thought she'd be safe. In the end, one haunting question remains. Who was the real victim?
Calm down. Calm down. down. Calm down.
On the afternoon of February 7th, 2024, police received a report of a stolen Toyota Camry driving along East Dublin Granville Road. When officers attempted to stop the vehicle, the driver refused and sped off, triggering a high-speed pursuit.
Get your car, away.
The chase led into the Huntley Square parking lot, where the suspect's car struck a police sergeant and dragged him across the hood. In a tense split second, the sergeant fired his weapon, hitting the driver. Despite being shot, she continued fleeing and crashed into 2 other vehicles before being taken into custody.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Get out of the car! 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 Watch out! Watch crossfire!
The suspect, 32-year-old Holly Lynn Graham, was rushed to the hospital in critical condition. The incident raises serious questions about her motives for such a reckless escape.
Put your hand behind your back.
On June 1st in East Los Angeles, deputies responded to a domestic violence call on a quiet residential street. As they attempted to engage the suspect, he reportedly ignored commands, turned abruptly, and charged at an officer with aggressive intent, described later as moving like a walking weapon.
Hello? Can you step out, sir? Hey, step out, step out, step out. Step out. Come on.
Please, bro. Please don't leave
Step out,
me,
dude.
bro.
I need you to step out.
Please don't leave me, bro.
Can you just put your hands on your head for me, please?
Please, bro. Please, bro. Please, bro.
Do not grab the knife.
Please, bro. Please, bro.
Do not grab the knife,
Please, bro.
man. Listen to me.
You guys got me scared, y'all, bro.
Listen to me. If he stands up, less lethal. Back up. Back up.
Please, please. I can't do it, sir. I can't do it. Please, please. I can't do it. You feel like
Do not let anyone in that door, okay?
please, come on, man, please. Don't run on me, please. Please don't run up on me.
Listen,
Please don't run up on me. Come on, man, don't run.
no one wants to hurt you.
Please, I'm telling you.
Please drop the knife.
Like that's what y'all gonna do.
With only seconds to react and fearing serious harm, the deputy fired to stop the advancing threat. In situations where a suspect poses an imminent danger, whether armed or not, deadly force can be justified, but moments like this continue to spark difficult conversations. Was it a necessary action, or simply the only one left?